So here it is. We are on chapter number 3, which is zombie battles. Now that we have learned about payable function and contract balances, it's time to add a functionality for zombie battles. Following the format from previous chapters, we organize our code by creating a new file contract for the attack functionality that import from the previous contract. Now let's review creating a new contract. Repetition leads to mastery. If you can't remember syntax for doing this, check zombiehelper.sol for the syntax, but try to do it without picking. First, to test your knowledge, declare at the top of the file that we are using Solidity version, this one. So let's write pragma like this. Now import zombiehelper.sol. Now create a contract zombie attack inherited from zombie helper. So here it is. We have created a new contract zombie attack and inherited from the zombie helper, and import the file here, and also define the version, compiler version. So let's check the answer. Okay, so what we have done, I think there's a, sorry, I think we have just missed this line, the syntax already. So I can, yes, that's correct. So we have created a new contract zombie attack. There is no function right now in it. Now let's move on to chapter number 4 to see what's next.